As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. Today, we're working, and please do click on those, it helps a lot. Thank you so much. It's a 2019 Subaru Outback. We are in 2019, and this is a 2019. I have the privilege to work on this car lot today, so I just thought I would give you an overview of how to do the water pump. This is not going to be an in-depth, but this one's really simple. That's why I thought I would just point out the bolts, identify the water pump, show you how to take the belt off, that sort of thing, and you'll be able to knock this out, no problem. Alright, let's check it out. Alright y'all, so to take the belt off, that's going to be your first step. I believe this looks like a 15, probably 15 millimeter. You're going to put your ratchet and you're going to spin right to loosen the belt, then just flip the belt off. And then our water pump is sitting right down here. So of course you're going to take the water, you're going to take the belt off, and then I'm going to show you your bolts. It looks like, see those bolts? There's one there, one right there, and some back here. But it just follows all the way around. It looks like we got one right there as well. And it looks like you're not going to have to take anything else off except the bolts on the actual water pump. And then this thing will just pop right out. So it's a really easy water pump. When you get your new water pump, you're probably going to have to convert this pulley over to the new one, and you got 10 millimeter bolts. Little trick, if you don't have electric, you can break these bolts loose while the belt is still tight, and then that'll help you do the transfer over. And then when you put the new one on, you can start the pulley on with it out, and then once you put everything back on, just remember to tighten those nuts up. Having the belt tension on it helps with taking those pulley bolts out and stuff. So that's pretty much it. It's a really simple water pump. I was just here, I thought, hey, you know, I can just do a quick overview on this with such a new vehicle. So thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.